Stock, crypto, credit, moves. Good evening, YouTube. Back for another quick update on Cook Rice. Guys, this project has been going on for like a week. So I've just been monitoring the AVAX contracts in and out. And this one, I'm not so sure about, guys. There has been no growth like over the last week. I believe the highest I saw this contract was like in the high 3,000s, 35, 3,900 maybe. I don't know if it reached 4,000. And the YouTube streets are saying that this could possibly be a rug pull, as there is in the contract, there's verbiage that allows the devs to access the contract after it's actually been written. So there's codes that they can add to each of these contracts that allow them to make changes, which I believe has a lot of people afraid about this project. Now I have, what did I put? 3 BNBs in here? No, excuse me, AVAX. I put 3 or 4 AVAXs in here. So I have 1,773 rices. And so, I mean, I've limited my loss, but I just want to be transparent. We definitely don't want anyone here losing money. So this one, I'm not going to tell you not to invest. I'm going to say that I'm not adding any more until I see a growth in this contract. Because a lot of these contracts are coming on board, and they're increasing a lot from the beginning. So this one has been on a steady decline. It looked like there's more eating than there is reinvesting, in my opinion. Let's go and look at the flow. So you have eat, and recook, eat, cook. The AVAX value has been fluctuating, and the contracts that have been going down. So, guys, just continue to watch this one. I'm not gonna say I don't have negative energy. I'm just cautious. I want you guys to win. Just watch this one a little bit more closely, and limit what you actually invest into this one. We have other projects on my channel that I would actually say that are probably a little safer. Definitely baked beans and Ruby. They have more stability at this point. So I'm going to continue to monitor Cook Rice. I'm just giving honest updates. It could win. But right now, compared to other platforms, it's been very stagnant. And I don't like the code that they have, that they allow the admins to go back and make changes. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just showing you what I do on YouTube. Like, share, subscribe. Until next time, signing off.